Rockets, we've received your questions about wanting a proper walkthrough of the housing application, so that's what we're going to get into today. So start by logging on to your MyUT portal. You're going to be using your Rocket email. Once you get to the homepage, scroll down to the My Housing tab and click Housing Application. Click either the fall or spring 2024 term that you would like to apply for. The next to pop up is the housing fee. This is a non-refundable $40. Update your emergency contacts or put your emergency contacts if that pops up for you, but if not, continue on to the next page. Once it's submitted, a page will pop up with a brief rundown of all the information that you provided thus far. For privacy reasons, I did not show this page, but if anything is not filled out, just briefly run through it. After you pay, you'll be redirected to StarRez and can click the available term. This will direct you to additional information where you can click No. If yes, explain the reason for legal misconduct. Click Agree for personal property insurance. For the missing persons notification contact, you will fill out another emergency contact. The next page is the University of Housing contract. You can read through the Code of Conduct and you are agreeing to the terms that say, I understand. Also review the Residence Living Guide before signing. You will click the Agree to use electronic records and signatures, then click Continue. You can also click the three dots for more options. After clicking Continue, read through and click the initial buttons, then you can sign. Keep going until you get through the end, and then it's signed. The next thing that'll come up will be a profile that you can create from matching with potential roommates. You can put your interest, your major, and more. Then, it'll ask you most like me, least like me questions regarding how you feel about certain aspects of living situations, like I'm filling out currently. this page, we received a lot of questions regarding the holistic wellness community and the gender-inclusive community. But in summary, holistic wellness is people that would prefer to live in an alcohol/drug-free environment. The gender-inclusive/arts living space is for people who are mostly in the LGBTQ+ community or an ally and arts connected to that floor. Also meant for the students studying the arts such as theater, digital design, and areas of that nature. The arts and gender-inclusive floors work closely together as they both are operated out on the 5th floor of Ottawa East. These links will explain how to be qualified for it or how to apply. You can add these spaces if you would like, and we can show you that in the video as well. Roommate group create is something you can make for your future roommates. You can name it whatever you'd like and create a passcode you will be able to remember. To look for roommates, or if you would like a roommate suggested, select the Suggest Roommate tab. Due to privacy reasons, I have blurred the names that have popped up, but as you can see on the side, the match percentage is there. Under the name, you will have the age as well as their descriptive profile. You can also look up someone in the search bar if you have met them on social media, in person, etc. We use my coworker for this. So her profile pops up and we can send out the invitation. Once she receives the request, she can accept and they will be a part of the roommate group. Time slot information is for room selection and priority dates and times for move-in. The next page is campus resources. This gives us links for cancellation fees, housing forms, living guide, living learning communities, meal plans, living on campus, parking services, and Office of Public Safety. Housing rates are on the next page to show you how much everything will cost for the semester. Gold 7 is unlimited swipe access, and 14 weekly is 14 swipes per week. This is used for meal plan. You can also go to the link and see the frequently asked questions for the meal plans. After you go past that page, the application is complete. You may also get a pop-up for GradGuard, which helps out with renters insurance. But that's it, you're done. That's all for the video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we were able to answer some of your questions. And if you have any, please email us at reslife@utoledo.edu and follow us on our Instagram, Toledo Reslife. Hope you guys are having a great day.